Familia Fernandez. As you know me, I'm Sadiq Fernandez. They call it Big Cheese, Big Kahuna. I think my wife said, like, no, we're going to introduce the entire family. We kept a lot of things in between the boxes so that you all can know us better. And you already met Ruth and Joshua. Well, my journey started way back in 2000. And then we were blessed with the first baby girl of ours. That's in 2001, Rochelle. And then in 2003, again, we were blessed with another baby girl named Rachel. In 2007, I was blessed with a baby boy, Jan. In 2013, we had a real tragedy in our life. I lost my first wife, Pauline Fernandez. We lost to cancer. She had a very initial, aggressive one. And then a lot of pressure how to raise the kids up. Everyone was asking how to raise the kids up because my career was bright. I was really doing well in my career. And people asked me, like, how to raise the kids up. It was a big question. Everyone wanted me to settle down. You know, my mind was down there. In 2015, because Christine came into my life. We call it time. Okay, so Christine came into my life in 2015, and we were blessed with 2016. We were blessed with Ruth, and you met her. This is Christine, and she's very full of facial expressions. And then we had Joshua in 2017. I would say, like, now there's a lot of emotions in this video. A lot of, which kids may share, my wife may share. A lot of, knowing about themselves. Like, I'm a very introvert. I'm very much career oriented, study freak, and I love my Jeep, as I've seen that in the previous vlogs. I'm a very secretive person, I'm a very inside person. I like Christine, but slowly, like, you'll get to know us better. Because I'll be in less of the vlogs. I'm not a vlogger. I'm a traveler, and Christine will, be a part of the entire Familia Fernandez. A face of the Familia Fernandez, and I think she's going to introduce all the three again, once again. Because there's a lot of questions being asked. What is a second mom like? I would not say step, because it's very neutral. We just call her stepmother. And there are a lot of questions being asked, like, how is she to that kid? And people ask me that directly, confront me, like, to my face. Sometimes it's really annoying. You have a family, you have a relationship, and then people ask you these sort of questions, like, yeah, she's a foreigner. How is she with your kids? Does she learn Indian cooking? Has she adjusted herself? How is she with your parents? Like, touch wood, so far everything has been as part of a fantastic family and Familia Fernandez. We take it from here on. Alright, click the subscribe button, notify it, and hit like.
Hi again, everyone. Narinig nyo yung introduction ni Sydney. So actually, hindi ko na-expect na siya yung mag-i-intro. So anyway, at least, okay nga yun, at least nag-volunteer siya na siya mag-intro. So this video today we'll discuss or yung makilala nyo kami, at the same time makilala nyo yung mga anak namin. So as what he mentioned earlier, at least this video, some questions na it will be an honest answer from the kids, kasi hindi nila alam yung mga itatanong ko sa kanila, yung mga tanong na gusto kong itanong sa kanila noon, at least ngayon maitatanong ko na sa kanila. So now I will introduce to you the three kids. Actually, there's five of them, pero yung dalawa kasi pinatulog muna namin kasi alam nyo na ang gulo nila eh. So introduce ko sa inyo yung tatlong anak namin para at least makilala nyo sila. Okay? So first I'll introduce to you Cookie. We call her Cookie. Her pet name is Cookie, but actually she is Rochelle. Okay? Come, baby.
everybody. I'm Rochelle Sal Fernandez, the eldest among the five of them, and I'm in grade 12, and I've taken arts as my subject, and someday I aspire to become a baker.
Okay, so she's Cookie, and she's the eldest among the five. And now let me introduce to you the second one. We call her Chintu because as a pet name. So like in Philippines, we have Ate, Kuya, Nene, Inday, Toto. So we call her Chintu as her pet name. And she's Rachel.
Hi guys, I'm Rachel Fernandez and I'm the second among the five. I'm in grade 12 and I've taken commerce. I further want to become a chartered accountant and
Yeah, you will. Okay, so the last, no, not the last, but the thorns among the roses, no. Okay, so the third one is Mr. Yan Fernandez. So let me introduce to you to him.
Hey everyone, I'm Yan Fernandez. I'm studying in the standard 8. I live in the boarding in Pune, pre-preparatory military school. And my dream is to become a police officer. Not a police officer. If I don't get a police officer, I can actually become a military man and serve my life.
Okay, so you heard. Actually, Yan, he's in a 8th standard now. But starting last year, we put him into a boarding school. It's a preparatory military school, like. So, but now because of this pandemic, they restrict. There is no boarding now, so it's an online class for him. At least he's at home and he is not in the boarding. So okay, so at least for you to know them better, and for me also to para yung mga questions, yung mga tanong ko na gusto ko itanong sa kanila na hindi ko pa na itatanong actually. Bibigyan nila ng kasagutan. Okay? At hindi nila alam yung mga itatanong ko. And alam kong honest yung mga isasagot din nila. Okay. This questions has been in my mind, like, you know, since from the start. Okay? So I want you to answer with me with honesty. Okay. When Dada told you that he is dating someone, okay, that time, and that he is planning to get married, what is your first reaction?
So the first time Dad told me that he's dating someone and like he's trying to get married. So like we were on our way back home from Mount Abu. That's in Rajasthan. We were on our way back home to Mumbai. So that time he told us, like, you know, there's this lady. Okay, her name is Christine and I guess I'm planning to get married to her. So I'm like, I was happy for him at the moment. I was happy for him because, you know, like, though we are always there with him, but you know, there are some things he cannot tell us and he needs a life partner to share with. So like, yeah, I was happy for him. At the same time, you know, I was a bit nervous, like, you know, what will your reaction, you know, be towards us or something. So like, yeah, I was really looking forward to meet you.
Yeah. So, let's say it's actually a normal lang naman na syempre, di ba, yung reaction na, magkakaroon na kami ng isang nanay, gano'n, na hindi namin kilala pa. So, hindi nila alam kung ano yung magiging relationship namin towards each other. So, syempre, meron din sila sigurong fear na, ay, baka hindi ako, alam mo yun, baka stricto ako, or baka hindi ako friendly or something, gano'n. Baby, I can do.
I was happy and I was very excited to meet you. Yeah, and I was ready to meet from Korea.
Okay, and Yan maybe is
I came to know about this when I was in 3rd standard. I got hurt while I was cutting apple on my finger, and I got hurt on my hand. We went out of our stand, like, who's the lady? I know better before that. You know, like, we did this in front of dad or something, some office mate or something. And I said, who is she? And dad like, Krishna auntie.
Then what she said, she's Christine auntie, and then what she said, she's what? Who she's
I told hi to you.
Yeah, I
was
remember.
shocked at the same time.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't have friends, but not he has friends, but not actually. So I was
Yes, kasi kailan ba? 2016 nang dumating kami, medyo Yan is only in the 3rd or 4th standard at time, and silang dalawa na sa 7th standard. At silang dalawa, naka-boarding school din. So, dun sa Rajasthan, so upper part, north of India, sa Mount siya, so Mount Abu. So, for 4 years nandun sila at umuwi lang sila during holidays. Yun. So, kaya minsan nagkakaroon kami ng chance na yung gumala papunta doon para makita sila kasi hindi sila allowed na tawag nito, tawag dito, yung pumunta ng bahay, kumbaga yung umuwi, hindi sila allowed unless mayroong long vacation or long holiday, ganun lang, doon lang sila i-allow. Ayun. Okay. Next question. When you see me, first personally when I came already here, when I was in India, what is your first impression of me?
Like when we came, I think it was the middle of the night or something, and we reached here, and you were inside with baby, I guess. So like when you came out, like I found it very cute, kind of.
Again, cute puppy.
Cute, definitely.
Uh-huh.
So like yeah, I was looking forward to meeting you and spend more time with you.
Okay. And Chits.
I thought you were cool and cute because you were like you know, like my height and stuff. So
I'm shorter than you. Yeah, and Yan?
I saw you on Skype. Then at that time only when she comes down, let me see how she looks. Then I was sleeping at night. Then I got a strange vibe, like who looked at me at the middle of the night? We all are sleeping. And the light was so long. So I opened my eyes.
And
It was Dada.
me and Dada
Yeah.
was looking at him
Yeah.
in his sleep.
Yeah. And I saw you. You were like you were very cute, like Mickey Mouse.
Like Mickey Mouse and Pokemon like. Okay, so when Dada told you that you're going to have a little sister, what is your reaction?
I was happy because I could actually be because always Cookie used to be the elder sister and Chintu the elder sister. Like, Mom, I'm not the elder brother. I want a baby brother, baby sister, and at last my wish came true.
So you will become when you know that when Dada told you that you're going to have a baby sister, you feel like you become like, oh my god, I'm already a big brother.
Yeah, whenever I have to go to church, this is always my wish. I would just want to be baby sister.
So you're telling me that when you go to church, you're praying that Dada will get married also. And I hope that Dada will get married so that I'll have a baby sister or a baby brother. Okay, Chintu.
I was very excited. I was in the boarding and very excited, and we already started deciding names. And yeah.
And Cookie?
Okay, so when Dada told us we were about to have a baby sister, we were actually in the boarding, yeah. And we we were quite, excited, finally we are having, a kid and, so younger to us and, who we can play with or something. So, we were really happy and, we started, thinking of names. Because, we both are from R, so we were like, okay, we'll keep the baby's name also from R. So, we'll become 3 R's in the house.
And then we came up with Ruth.
Ruth,
Yeah. Okay, if I am not in the house or if Dada is not in the house, sometimes if I go outside, are you willingly or are you willing to take care of Baba and baby?
Yes.
Okay, because maybe sometimes you may think, kasi Auntie went and he just dumped the responsibility to us, like
No, it's
taking-
fun to play with them.
Uh-huh.
It's not very fun.
It's not very hard. No,
They
because-
listen and, they cooperate with us. So,
Yeah.
it's not difficult.
Yeah, because baby and Baba is like no, actually like baby and Baba is more closer to the 3 of them. Like if meron silang gusto, hindi sila pupunta sa akin diretso, pupunta sila sa kanilang tatlo kasi alam nila na pag ayaw ko talagang hindi ko ibibigay yung mga gusto nila. So doon sa kanila sila pumupunta at saka kung ano yung gusto nila hingin, doon sila humihingi sa kanila. Yun. Okay. So okay, for me and Dada, who is a strict disciplinarian?
For discipline, you are strict. You are strict. But when it comes to homework and all like that, when all the work is done.
Ang ibig niya sabihin, what Tian is trying to say is like, I'm strict, but when it comes to discipline, like doing homeworks, study, yeah, household works, like, yung Dada is more, more strict. Kasi pag hindi sila nakikinig na dapat mag-study, ganyan, nakakatikim sila. They'll get pasting then. Okay, so, Jiddu.
I feel both are strict when it comes to discipline, but they are cool at the same time. So it's like cool and strict at the same time.
Yeah, like, pag talagang seryoso kaming dalawa ni Sydney, like, sa pagdidisiplina, pero pag talagang cool, talagang, kung sa cool lang, talagang sobrang cool din kami, ganun. Talagang, parang hindi namin na-feel na mas matanda kami sa kanila. Feeling namin is pare-pareho lang yung edad namin, kaya siguro dun kami nag-jive in, kaming lahat. Cookie?
Like, actually, when it comes to discipline, you both are strict, but otherwise you both are like financial.
Yes. So, okay. Next, let's see. For Cookie and Chintu, like there are times that we both the three of us will go outside, right? So when you go outside, do you feel any awkwardness? Like, oh my God, we are with her. Oh my God, people will look at us. People will talk about us. Do you ever feel like that? Do you feel that awkwardness being with me outside, like going outside?
No, when I go outside with you, I feel more excited because the shopping I get to do with you, I cannot do it.
Dada.
Because he's like too fast and yeah, come fast and you cannot decide whatever you want and your own choice. I love it. So I'm going to
Okay.
Yeah.
Same. Yeah. Oh,
I get more excited, like, because you can, actually see things and
and you
stuff.
can go street shopping.
Yeah.
And then mostly, like, enter a makeup shop and buy some things, like, which excites all of us.
So, kasi kasi syempre alam niyo pag merong lalaki kasama, minsan, minamadali ka, alam mo yun, hindi ka nabibigyan ng time, kahit kami dalawang Sydney, hindi ako nakakapag-shopping o hindi ako nakakapamili ng gusto ko kasi nandyan siya. Pero pag kaming tatlo magkasama at sabihin niya sa akin, okay, you can go out, three of you, like that. So, ganoon, excited na kami, gustong-gusto namin yun kasi take your time, sasabihin niya, take your time. So, we will really take our time, like, we'll go street shopping dun sa mga gilid na parang Divisoria, parang Baclaran, ganun. Dun kaming tatlo. Talagang nagsistay kami. Pero pag kasi kasama namin siya, hindi kami nagkakaroon ng time masyado. Ganun. Sometimes, you might notice that they're calling me Christine Auntie. From the very start, clear na namin, wala kaming restriction kung ano yung itatawag nila sa akin. Hindi namin sila ino-oblige kung anong itatawag sa akin. As long as merong respeto at pagkakaintindihan, wala kaming problema doon. The funny thing is, si Ruth and Joshua also is calling me Christine Auntie. So, yun kasi naririnig nila, di ba? So, I know by time will come na magtatanong sila and okay lang naman din. Hindi naman mahirap sagutin yung mga gano'n. Ayun. So, okay. Let's have last question. Since I'm a foreigner and I came here, so usually I cook foods. Okay. How do you rate me? I have to feed you, right? So I used to bake food. Okay. So how you're going to rate my Indian dishes?
My Indian food.
Indian dishes.
The Indian food I will give a 5-star.
Wow, 5-star is the highest.
Yeah.
Okay. What Indian food? What Indian dishes
I like
I
dal.
make?
Dal
Dal. They see they love the dal. And then, what else? Paneer, mutton paneer.
Mutton paneer.
Matar paneer. Sorry, mutton. Matar paneer, okay. And what else? Pulao, okay. What else?
And French bean bhaji and Hindi bhaji. So sometimes we make very nice.
See,
And the brinjal.
And Filipino food.
Okay, for my okay.
I like your soup, like
The macaroni soup.
the macaroni soup and that soup where all the vegetables are there.
All the vegetables?
Yeah, and it's like a curry to your.
Okay, with coconut?
Yeah.
With coconut?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, correct. It's a, what do you call this one? Ginataang gulay. Okay, so what else, Chindu? What is the
dried chicken, sometimes.
Adobo.
Yeah,
adobo. So Dian likes the adobo.
So from the Indian ones, I like dal obviously because that's our favorite. And
Gumby.
I like the French bean.
French bean, yeah.
And from the Filipino, I like the Filipino macaron. That's a dessert of Filipino.
Yeah.
And
She likes the macarons.
I like the chorizos, the chicken chorizo.
Yeah, chorizo.
chicken
Yeah.
chorizo.
Actually here, from in Goa, they have chorizo. Okay, they have chorizo like what we have in Philippines, but the taste is different from us. Philippine chorizo is sweet, and here the chorizo is spicy and sour because there is a vinegar on that. So I told them, let me try and I'll make you some skinless tocino, skinless chorizo, and they love it. And especially if I'm going to fry it, if I fry the rice in that oil of that.
I
So
think
they love it.
dumplings you make there.
Yeah, and so much.
And shomai. And what else, Iri?
I love blanca, yeah. And the cassava cake.
Cassava cake. So see, mostly the two girls, they love the sweets like cassava cake, maha blanca, macaroons, and this all foods, and this all Filipino foods, Filipino dessert. I really don't make it in Philippines, and this is my first time because I'm craving. So I was like, searching where can I get that cassava, the tapioca, and good thing, and there is one shop here, and they're selling fresh, raw cassava. So that's why. So I told them, let me try it, and this is my first time, and so far they like it.
And I usually don't eat sweets.
Yeah, she doesn't like. She don't usually eat sweets, but with that, especially the maha blanca, the first time I make, how many times? 3 times I already make, and they love it. Yeah. Then cookie, same.
Yes.
I like the maha blanca without the cheese.
I like the dumplings also.
Oh, shomai.
I don't eat cheese.
And the sauce of it.
Shomai, yeah.
Shomai is
My first time to
so
make
good.
shomai ever, and there is no wrapper here like in Philippines. Like we have what do you call this one? The ready-made wrapper we don't have. So what I did, I checked YouTube on how to make the wrapper so that at least we can make our shomai. And so far we did it. We made shomai, and the cookie loves the sauce. Yeah, they all love the sauce that I make. So far, I don't have any problem preparing foods for them. Whatever kinds of food it is, Filipino foods, Indian foods, or sometimes I make pasta, Mexican style. We bake also. We carbonara also. We all don't have problem with foods. So all in all, maybe my experience is not the same with your experience with all the other with the other yung mga nasa interracial relationship. But then, it is not that everything, hindi sa lahat ng oras, hindi sa lahat ng bagay, merong na masaya lang. Nag-aaway din kami, we fought, we get angry to each other, we fought, but at the end of the day, we also laugh. Okay, so since, with these questions, you heard them, okay, narinig nyo sila, nakilala nyo sila, kung meron kayong mga questions, you can ask us, comment down below. You can ask us, and we will going to answer it. And aside from that, since this is actually the day, it is their mama's birthday today. It is their mama's birthday, so we made as a tribute. We had a small cake for her. hindi namin siya nakakalimutan. We don't forget her every day. In every day, she is always with us. I know that she always guide us, especially the kids in our relationship. So I know na hindi niya kami pinababayaan. So as a tribute for her, we have a small cake for her. At gustong-gusto na kanina pang gustong kain ni baby kasi sabi namin huwag muna ngayon. Bukas na pag umisig mo ng umaga. Nakatulog siya umiiyak na gusto niya ng cake. So we will going to cut the cake for her. Okay. Say mama for you. This is for you, mama. And happy birthday. Oh, I'm not yet done. Come on, take them. Thank you. Give Dada. Dada's time. No. Okay. So, gusto ko lang sabihin na hindi lahat that being a family is not about, you know, it's not about by blood. Okay? It is about being a family. It's not about by blood. It is also about, you know, understanding, respect, and harmony. So, siguro kahit hindi ko sila kadugo, hindi ako yung totoong nanay nila, pero as long as mayroong harmony within us, nagkakaintindihan kami, there is respect, so that's all makes us a family. So I hope that you have learned from this videos right now. You have learned you have learned and you get to know us more better. So sa lahat na hindi pa nagsasubscribe, please subscribe, and to those who have subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you so much for subscribing, and thank you so much for taking time. Let me have this, Jan. Come on.
So family, here the video ends. So make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification on all. Also, you can get a new vlog when it's released. So peace out.
And Cookie.
So those who haven't subscribed yet, I think subscribing isn't that difficult. Go and click on the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification button so you get a notification like whenever we upload a video. Yeah.
Thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Peace. Stay safe, everyone.
Sayonara.
Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Good night. Bye-bye.